In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post in another location on Craigslist. If you want to advertise an item, service, or opportunity in a different city or area on Craigslist, the platform gives you the option to choose where your post will appear during the posting process. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a Craigslist post and select a different location so your advertisement reaches the audience you want. To get started, make sure you're signed in to your Craigslist account. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that first. Having access to your account makes it easier to manage your postings and keep track of any advertisements you create. Once you're logged in, look toward the top area of the Craigslist page. Just below the Craigslist logo, you'll find the option to create a new posting. Click on the Post button to begin the process. After selecting the posting option, you'll be taken to a page that asks where you would like your advertisement to be posted. This is the key step when creating a listing for another location. You'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to choose a city or area. Click on the drop-down menu and browse through the available locations. Craigslist supports a large number of cities and regions, so you can select the one that best matches the audience you want to reach. Take your time and make sure you choose the correct location before moving forward. Once you've selected your desired city or area, click Continue. Craigslist will then guide you through the remaining steps needed to create your advertisement. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of posting you want to create. Select the option that best fits your advertisement. After that, choose the appropriate category for your listing. Selecting the correct category helps people find your post more easily when browsing Craigslist. As you continue through the posting process, you'll need to enter details such as the posting title, price, neighborhood information, and any other requested details. Be sure to fill out the information carefully and accurately so potential viewers clearly understand what you're offering. When you've completed all the required fields and reviewed the information you've entered, click Continue to move to the final stage. Craigslist will then allow you to review your advertisement before publishing it. If everything looks correct, go ahead and publish your advertisement. Your post will then appear in the location you selected earlier during the setup process. And that's how you can post an advertisement in another location on Craigslist. It's a simple process that allows you to reach users in different cities and expand the visibility of your listing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel.